Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling bedside mode on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Bedside mode enables you to use the Apple Watch as a bedside clock while it is charging. If you have an alarm set on the watch, it will gently light up a few minutes before your alarm. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. In Settings, select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Bedside Mode. Tap the toggle to the right of Bedside Mode to enable and disable the setting. When the toggle is green, Bedside Mode is enabled, and when grey, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.